Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we bring you this beautiful Belarusian dessert, Syrniki. And the recipe is from my very good friend Chef Zhanna. So let's get straight into it. This dessert has 4 components and we will explain them all in details. First we need to make cottage cheese. For that, in a saucepan, let's take 2 cups of milk. Keep the flame on medium. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Keep the milk to simmering, don't bring it to boil or it will break down the cheese. And now that the milk has curdled and the cheese has separated, let's strain our cheese on a strainer with a cheesecloth on. Now we will leave the cheese in the strainer for at least 2 hours until all the moisture has been drawn out and the cheese is firm. For this recipe, we will need about 1 pound of cranberries. In a blender, take 1 cup of cranberries and approximately 1.5 cup of water. To make Cranberry Kissel, we will need about 3 cups of cranberry juice, and that's what we're making here. Strain the cranberry juice so that we have just the juice, not any pulp. Now let's take half a cup of cranberry juice, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We're making a slurry here. Mix this all well, making sure there are no lumps. Now in a pan, take the remaining 2.5 cups of cranberry juice. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Bring it to a boil and add the cornstarch slurry. Lower down the flame and cook for additional 5 minutes until the cornstarch is cooked and the sauce looks glossy. After the kissel cools down, it will look little lumpy, so we'll blend it with the immersion blender like a jelly. Take about 30 grams of cranberries, 1 egg white, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. With a wire whisk, blend it all together until the sugar has completely dissolved. Dip all your cranberries in this egg white sugar mixture, coat them well, and we will roll our cranberries in powdered sugar. Powdered sugar will absorb all the moisture of the egg whites, and within a matter of minutes, the candies will harden. Our cranberry candies are ready, set them aside. To make the apple cranberry sauce, take 1 cup of water, 1 apple peeled and diced, half a cup of cranberries, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Over medium heat, cover and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. About 15 minutes have passed, but we need to cook off the moisture to make it look more like a preserve. After about 5 minutes, this applesauce looks ready. After about 2 hours, our cottage cheese is ready to use. Add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all until it resembles a crumble. Now add 1 egg yolk and now knead it into a soft dough. Now let's shape this dough into small patties and lightly dress them with all-purpose flour. In a non-stick pan, take about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Keep the flame to medium-low and shallow fry the Syrnikis. We will cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. These gorgeous Syrnikis are ready. We will flip them, cook them on the other side for about another 2 minutes, and then it's time to plate them. In your serving plate, put about 2 spoons of yogurt, 2 spoons of Cranberry Kissel, and another 2 spoons of yogurt. The apple cranberry sauce, the cranberry candies. Check out the description box to know about the philosophy behind this particular style of presentation. Now add the Syrnikis, and finish it off with sprinkling some powdered sugar on top. Our dessert is ready to be served. If you like this presentation, hit that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comment box. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Big shout outs to my crew at CC at Sela.